is a lot cooler today, so hopefully that will only aid us in finishing up. So we will see you in Epcot. Alright, so first up, we are going on test track. We're going in the design studio. Bill, what kind of car are we gonna design?
I don't know, I'm gonna let you design the whole thing.
Really?
Yep.
Yay! What kind of car do we want? This is our speed.
Whatever you want, honey.
I kind of want this one because it's like the car at home.
Right. We're starting out. Grease sauce, alright? I'm not happy with that. We're doing you just keep complaining. That's it, right? It's not anything.
I kind of want a hybrid.
Let's do it.
I want like a golden car.
Okay.
Good tone. Go graphics. Those are cool. Don't you think?
Yeah.
They go for this. You do need a little step. Kind of like that thing. Oh, this makes it look like a Jeep. I like that. I kind of did a truck for you. I like this thing. It's very sporty. No tail. Do you like it?
Yeah. That's our car, folks.
We'll begin with a ability test to see how your vehicle designs perform under challenging weather and surface conditions.
Monitoring road surface. Connecting to on bar. SIM card performance data acquired.
Let's see how your designs hold up now.
Commencing SIM car off-road and extreme weather sequence. Capability test results displayed and verified.
We're in
Now let's see how
first.
your vehicles do when it comes to their efficiency.
Gating eco scan for aerodynamic efficiency. Drive assistance analysis. Interspectral imaging in progress. Calculating total environmental impact.
Oh, we're not good, Phil. We're not good.
Commencing responsiveness test.
Okay, the responsiveness data is now being synchronized.
1 minute driving technology verified and active. Automated crash avoidance technology disengaged. Displaying responsiveness data. Test results.
Oh, we came in second.
Performance testing complete.
Phil's ready to check the cars out in the showroom. He wants to go to this big red one just like his. But it's not just like his, he'll tell me. Phil, isn't this just like the car you have?
No, this is the 2500.
Test track was fun. Our car didn't do too hot.
We're gonna walk in now, so
But it's okay. It lost everything except one, it came in first, and speed, it came in second. So now we're gonna go check out the Epcot Experience area if there aren't any food booths before. So we just finished up at the Epcot Experience. I highly recommend to go check it out. It looks so amazing what they're doing. Well worth the wait.